Alright, today I'm going to show you how to actually save money at Fry's Electronics using their price match system. For example, me and the wife had a Nissan Versa quite a few years ago that we wanted keyless entry in. I saved a ton of money by going to Fry's Electronics and actually price matching all of the components required to do that. The car security system, the actuators, some of the wiring, that kind of thing. So go to Fry's.com, go there, and we're looking for car security systems, just for an example. Now, you can actually do this in the store. You go and search for the item that you're looking for. If you're looking for a TV, the car security system, radio, whatever you're looking for over there, you look at it, you get the model number off of it, description, whatever, and what you want to do is go to Amazon.com and look for it there. They will price match a whole lot of other websites. If you want to look them up, you can see those websites, try to look for it there, and try to price match it there. But Amazon.com is a pretty safe way of doing this. So let's look for the most expensive one here. This one right here, $299.99. Let's go ahead and click on that. So what we're looking for is this right here, the Avitol 5305L. That is the model number. That's the manufacturer that makes it. Now we're going to go to Amazon.com. So let's pretend you're in the store, you look at that, you see that model number, that kind of thing, jump on your smartphone and type in Avitol 5305L, and hit the search. It's going to search for it right here, $95. Now, obviously, they're not going to price match that, and that is because this is sold by Bargain Flip right there. Fulfilled by Amazon, sold by Bargain Flip. They won't price match Bargain Flip. They will price match Amazon. So, what you want to do, you got new and used, 25. There's 25 of them, new and used right here. Go ahead and click on that. And you are looking for anything sold and shipped by Amazon. For example, this won't work. This won't work because it's sold by Avenue South. Go down here, and oh, here we go. Ships from Amazon.com, sold by Amazon.com. Right there, $103.57. They will price match that. They will get a manager over, even though it's a third of the price that they're selling it at, they will price match that because it's sold and shipped by Amazon, and that's what their policy says. So they will go ahead and look that up, confirm it, that kind of thing, and price match it. I've done this on several things at Fry's Electronics. I've saved a ton of money doing this. So I hope this helps you guys in saving money there. If this does help, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have any comments, go ahead and comment on it. Any suggestions, especially on anything you want me to do a little screen video like this on, any apps that you want to learn how to use or know how to use, or any websites you want to know how to use, that kind of thing. Go ahead and make the suggestions if you can. I will go ahead and make those videos. Thank you guys.